Hello my friends, today we're making grape juice and it's a real simple recipe. I'm using these grapes. They look like they're Concord, but these are a wine grape. They're called Delaware. So they taste similar to a Concord, but they're much sweeter. Okay, my canning jars I washed, rinsed, and I put them in the oven. I had it on 350. That's kind of like the automatic setting when you turn it on. That sterilized them. Okay, they've been in there for probably at least a half hour. Now I'm just going to turn it off. So they're already sterile. I'm going to let them cool down and then we're going to start filling them. The recipe is so simple, just a couple ingredients. You have a 1/4 cup of sugar. We're going to add that into each jar. And then 1 cup of grapes. And then you top it up with water. And if you know how to do the processing, you can turn the video off right here. Fill it up with water and go through the processing. When you're done, these jars will be left for 1 to 2 weeks. They're ready to drink. I went to the store today to buy more canning jars, and a case of jars, which last year I was buying for $9 a case, was $22 this year. That's more than double in 1 year. So that's an indication of what the inflation is this past year. You want to fill these up with 1/2 inch to 1 inch of the lid, and I'm using hot water out of the tap. The lids have been sterilized. They're in a pot of water, so we just give that a little twist like that. Okay, these have been processing for 20 minutes, and I want to point something out here. I don't want to use my finger. Pretty hot. Okay, I have these ball lids. Okay, these are great. Okay, a year ago we could not buy any lids in the area, so I ordered lids online. You see right here, these are made in China. You see what they're doing here. They're buckling backwards. Now they should pop back and reseal. We'll find out. These might not be any good, but it's not worth buying a cheaper lid. But these were the only ones available a year ago. It was impossible in any store to find a canning lid. I have no idea why there was a shortage. They're easy to make. They're just stamped. So I can't figure any reason, unless it was some kind of a political thing. I know a lot of my neighbors, they will not use an imported canning lid. I don't know if you're observing the color when these come out. These were kind of clear. They already look like Welch's grape juice. Okay, now here's one of the buckled lids. Another buckled lid. This one did not buckle. Well, that looks like that's a ball, which is a USA. That should do it. 20 minutes on that batch. This is the second batch. It's been in there over 20 minutes. I lost track of my time. And you can see some of these cheaper canning lids. There's one right there. Buckling the wrong direction. We'll see if they will seal when they cool. There's another one. Buckling wrong. Some of these lids pop back. I think the problem with these is they were made too thin. So if they do seal, these would be the ones that are consumed first. To summarize, what I would do is stockpile some high quality lids so that we don't run into another issue with not being able to find lids for some supply problem of some sort. And get rid of any cheap lids. Don't buy them if they're from China. This is the latest batch of canning that I did, and these were all superb lids made in Ohio. Not a single problem. Very satisfied with the lids. And these are a lot cheaper than the ball lids. So the quality is as good, and the price makes it even more affordable. These are the canning lids that I use. They're high quality. They're made in Ohio, a family-owned business. They're a good quality, I would say equal to ball. They're both good canning lids. These are cheaper, which makes them a better buy. I will leave a link in the description below how to order these. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.